What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. And I think last month I didn't do a portfolio update. And I think this month is very, very necessary for me to do a portfolio update, seeing how I did end up selling a lot, even though it's still in the exchange and still in the numbers. I just want to go through exactly what the percentage is that I'm going to be pulling out, as well as seeing what amount is going to be staying in there. So we're going to do a portfolio update for you guys today to show you exactly what I'm holding across all accounts. That's obviously something that a lot of people like to see because you want to see the transparency. It's something that you don't see with everybody else. Anybody else that's investing in crypto, they claim that they're putting money into certain places. They don't actually prove that they're putting money into certain places. And I guess at a certain extent, I understand them not showing it, but don't talk about the fact that you may be transparent when you're not as transparent. I'm not naming any names. I'm not calling anybody out, but I know that people just don't show what they truly invest, or they don't really invest anything and they're just claiming that they do it. So, anyways, I'm not saying that everybody needs to go out there and just, show everybody what they're holding or anything like that, especially if it's multiple thousands of dollars or even hundreds of thousands of dollars, right? Tens or hundreds or even millions. You don't really want to show people that you're holding that much in a certain place, because then it starts to people start to try and track those things down and want to be able to take that money from you. I understand that 100%, but I want to be as transparent as possible with my short-term cryptocurrency investments. I don't show anybody my long-term investments because those do have a decently sized amount of money into them, and it doesn't make sense for me to show those. Now, it would make sense for me to go through different detail of different index funds and all that stuff there, but let's leave that how it is. Guys, if you want more of these updates, make sure you guys hit that like button down below. Let me know that you like these. Also, hit the subscribe button. And if you guys want to check out my Patreon, if you guys want to hit me up and, talk to me about investing and strategies and all of that, feel free to hit up the Patreon. The link is in the description. We have a lot of educational content, and I do plan on doing a full series. um, I do plan on doing a full series, breaking this down, or a like kind of a course level type of thing, understanding investing and everything. So feel free to check out my Patreon, and we will find a way to launch that there. But anyways, portfolio update. Let's not waste any more time. Let's jump into the portfolio update and show you exactly where everything stands at the moment. So I have my spreadsheet built. Again, we didn't track where we were last month, but I know we were around $50,000 to $60,000. And now we're sort of kind of around the same level, right? We probably went down from there, but especially as the markets did decrease a little bit. So let's start with Robinhood. I'm going to put this up on the screen. Let me slide over here. I'm going to put this up on the screen over to the right of the screen. It's going to be the right of your screen, the left of me. This is my left side. So let's start with Robinhood. And we're going to go in here and see what we hold in here. This has always been the same. I hold Dogecoin over here. I have $72 worth of Dogecoin over here, and nothing really has changed there. I haven't let it go. I haven't done anything. It's like 833 Dogecoin total. So I'm not mad at this. I don't know why I haven't really moved it. I could have put this over in any other platform, especially with the release of wallets and everything there. But $72.82 is what we're showing here. Let's jump into the next one, which is one of my largest, if not my largest platform, which is Coinbase. And you know that recently I sold a lot that was over here on Coinbase, and that was on a MetaMask and everywhere else. But I still do have the physical cash in my account. So having the cash in my account gives it value, as well as the fact that I purchased Cosmos. So even though I have some cash, I still have $9,000 worth of Cosmos that I bought looking for a decent sized return. If you want to know more detail on that, check out the Cosmos video. But if you look in here, if we go over to assets, we're going to see, we scroll down here. I have $900 in cash because I did end up selling the Tezos that I wanted to sell. But we have about $9,500 worth of Cosmos. We have $4,600 worth of Ethereum. Cardano, we have $3,600. Krill, Harvest Finance. I believe that's pretty much it, right? Oh, Jasmine Coin, and then Gala that's stuck over here. So this is where probably more of my, I believe my sleeper buys are with Jasmy Coin, and then also more consistent purchases, more consistent cryptocurrency, consistent movers in Ethereum and Cardano, right? Krill Coin and Harvest Finance are kind of in the middle of the road. But yeah, that's what we hold over there. So $24,766.25. Now let's get into the next one, which would be crypto.com and what I hold over there, just so you guys understand again what I am holding. Let's scan this in here and we'll be able to see what's happening here. Let me get this out of the way. We're going to see this at $5,700.52, or sorry, $5,752.11. If we go over to accounts and we go over to wallets, you're going to see I'm holding Shiba Inu, Compound, Harvest Finance, OMG are the kind of the larger balances that are there. I expect so much more out of Harvest Finance, holding it in two places. Compound, I expect a lot more out of that. And obviously Shiba Inu, I want to see so much more, but it really all depends on what gets done within the project, the burns that go into it, the amount of holders within the bull run, and all of that stuff that's there. So again, $5,747.94 at the moment. Now let's go into the next one, which is MetaMask. I think we're going to start out with the Binance side for MetaMask. The Binance side for MetaMask is going to show that I have about $1,640. Majority of that is in Luna T. And then I have BNB that's there. And I also have Terra Luna Classic as well at $32 that I was paid out in, for holding my Luna T. So that's a good thing that is there. Now, I'm also holding Cremation Coin that's there. I have about $75 worth. I know they burn Pepe and Terra Luna Classic as well. So I wanted to support them in some way. So it is there. But let's go into the Ethereum side of things to where I'm holding, let's update this, $5,888.39. Majority of this position is in Elmo with $5,600 worth, which it must have increased in price up to close to maybe 3 cents, which would be great. I'm holding 220,000 Elmo, and then I have $262 worth of Ethereum that's over here. So, and then $13 worth of Wrap BTC. Now, the next couple that I have on the list is MetaMask Chronos, which is about $20, Trust Wallet, which is $25, but we're going to skip down to LBank. LBank is where I hold my Zelda Inu, or Zelda Inu at the moment. It's going to be Zelda 2.0 whenever they decide to launch it. Now, I don't know the detail behind it. I've yet to really hear back. I've talked to them and they said, yeah, we're still going through some stuff and we'll let you know when things are going to happen. So it's not that like they're not communicating with me. They are. It's just the launch has not happened yet. So my value of that went from a level of like $8,000 down to a level of $351. Now, most of this, actually all of it, was given to me and built through APY. So I feel like there was a lot of effort that I've been making with staking it and gaining the APY and getting up to 673,000 Zelda. That's a big deal. In my opinion, that's a huge deal because it took me a long time to get up to that point, but now it's not as valuable because of the lack of communication and the lack of movement. So yeah, $351 is what we have there listed. So that's something we can talk about in future videos, future live streams, everything there. We do have the CDC DeFi wallet, which I want to go into here. The CDC DeFi wallet has about $5,590. I do have Chronos and Cosmos over here that is staked. I have 4,817 Chronos and I have 650 Atom that's over here staked at a 20.55%. And then Chronos is at about an 11%, 10.75%. Now let's go into a couple of the last ones. Terra Station, I think you'll be able to see this. So my Station wallet, you won't be able to see the value, but you'll see that I'm holding 400 or 46,000. Let's go to stake. Sorry, 46 million, 46.5 million that's over there, which is about $4,000 worth. So $4,059 worth that's over there. I also have staked Terra or staked Lunatics token, about $900 worth that I can't really pull up. And then I also have KuCoin here. I wanted to kind of speed through this. I also have KuCoin here. That's about $1,400 or almost $1,500 through my main account and my trading account. Now, as we go through this, right, I want to exit this, right? As we understand, just understanding portfolios is great. Understanding what you're doing and how you're growing is fantastic. In a bull run, it's very difficult, or sorry, in a bear market, it's very difficult for you to, one, maintain the value that you have, and two, find a way to grow, right? Get up to a level of 60, 70, 80, 100,000, because typically 70,000 or 100,000 in the crypto market would be able to grow easily to, 500,000, $1 million, especially how the crypto market has moved in the past. But right now we are not in a bullish market. We are in a bear market. So staying flat, staying steady, and staying healthy at these times is the best thing that we can do. Now, understand that my overall value, if I go into my screen, my overall value shows that I'm at $50,600.14, which has decreased over the past 2 months from $60,000 to $50,000. So down about $10,000 overall in the last 2 months, and how things have dropped, as well as some different positions that I've held on to that I was expecting some sort of larger announcement that happened. But that's where we really stand with this. It's great to see that we are trying to stay steady, but it's only because of certain things that are being done within those months, like Elmo token, being given Elmo token and being worth about $5,000 at the moment. I would be down $15,000 over the last 2 months if I was not given that. So it just all depends how the market is moving. And also, I'm pulling out, if you don't know, I'm pulling out about $10,000 or $11,000, meaning I'm pulling out about 20% of the overall balance that I have here, which will still leave about $40,000, $35,000 to $40,000 in here. And depending how Cosmos really moves, if it does end up taking off, or not even taking off, just moving maybe $2 or so, $3 or so in the next 14 days, then I could see some promise with that. I can see some potential. I can see that my balance will grow and I won't be taking out as much, as high as a percentage, if that makes sense. So currently $50,599.14 is where we stand overall. Let me know if you guys enjoy these portfolio update videos. I try to do portfolio updates on my Patreon, but we really only do like the main account, somewhere around, Coinbase, maybe CDC, if I'm doing some sort of staking associated with it. But yeah, if you guys want to check out these portfolios and more frequently, as well as have comments on your own portfolios and post your own portfolios on the Discord group, feel free to check out that link to Patreon down below. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.